Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So it's time to update the view on the Bitcoin market. In general, the fundamental background stands positive. So this you could see from our fundamental report that we have prepared by the end of August, as we put a few weeks ago on the blog. So, and from the recent analysis of the fundamental factors that has happened last week. So this is non-farm payrolls release 2 weeks ago, Wyoming statement, some additional statistics that we are getting currently from the market. And if you have read our weekly report on the fundamental part of the euro currency and forex market, or the gold market, you probably understand that in general the situation that we have currently is mostly supportive to all dollar rivals, including the cryptocurrencies. So that's why, from the technical point of view on the high and time frame charts, we also do not see something really bad. So everything works and goes as it should. With a couple side-by-side grabbers, we're just waiting for it taken out of this top. So this target should be completed, and our nearest target, as you know from the fundamental report, stands around 67. This is the major COP target on the monthly chart. Next target will be in an area around 19 even. So that's two major objective points that we have in the long-term chart. So performance here looks absolutely great, not only on the monthly chart, but on lower time frame, as you could see as well. So on the weekly chart, we see that market is not at overbought anymore. And currently it is breaking through the 618 level, stands above it already. Here we have no significant barriers for the market, no fib levels, no new objective points in this range, so market easily keep going to the 57 area approximately, where the overbought level stands right now on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, another few positive moments exist. So first of all, the same here, as you could see, 57 is overbought. So here is also relatively free space. And take a look what has happened presently. So while market was challenging this barrier to enter in a new trading range, so that was the lows previously formed head and shoulders. This also was double repo sell on the weekly chart. And these lows in general has formed the barrier, the resistance area. And you can see that market is trying to break it for a considerably long time. So approximately 2-3 weeks market was standing around this area, coiling and trying to pass through it. Currently, as you can see, finally market has broken for the 618 resistance level, which is also fib level here, 51. So, and also it has finally broken through this barrier of these previous lows that protect price return back in the consolidation of 51.64 area. Currently market is entering into it, so it means that in this range, it will get the new relatively free space where it could fluctuate in the nearest future. So that's why this breakout currently is also very important from the perspective of the market in the nearest few weeks. So speaking about intraday charts now, targets that we have there. First of all, take a look that OP has been hit on Friday. It's finally. But market has shown only very small pullback here, very small minor reaction. In general, that was in a row with our expectations because previously we discussed some potential bearish pattern that might be formed here. But with this, you probably remember what we said in the previous update on the Thursday, that is not the performance that usually market should show when we talk about the head and shoulders. The slowdown on the slope of the head turning up, it was a triangle here, if you remember, we discussed this. We said that will be bullish sign and more probable that will be failure of the hand shoulders in upper direction. That has happened. And finally, final moment here is that next target is a 58 approximately, 58.8, 58.59 actually. This will be XOP. This is on the 4-day time chart. On the daily chart, on the hourly chart, we'll keep going with the butterfly that we discussed right on Thursday. So 1.7 target is completed, 51.64. But since we have the acceleration rate to this target, chance that market will reach next 1618 around 53 also looks significant. So here also we do not see any clearly bearish signs by far, and think that trend in all charts stands bullish. Market is breaking one level by one, so seems to have some strength exists here on a positive background from the recent statistics and statement from the Fed. That's definitely supportive, and currently we do not see any reasons, any signs that this stuff that we discussed on Thursday and right now should be revised or changed. So we think that currently everything is good and markets just should keep going higher.